biggest dreams require two things: your skill and good tools. It takes 4 tons of sheer force on a 2-meter thick concrete foundation, deeply embedded into the rocks of German ground. The roughnecks from the forge, true tough guys, shape and refine the steel with temperatures exceeding 1,200 degrees. 30 precise hammer strikes per minute shape the tool. With 150 years of know-how and a unique technological head start, we stride into the future. This experience is infused into every one of our 5 million annually manufactured parts. HAZET, das Werkzeug.